Hey, what's up guys? Dan Cross here again. I've got the W201, the 190E rear deck lid here, fitted with a AMG spoiler. It's not in the greatest shape. It doesn't fit that great either. I'm not really sure if it's just the way it's mounted or I have to take it all apart and figure it out. But the gaps are kind of off. It kind of hangs over a little bit of the edge and it doesn't look very good. So outside of that, I'm going to strip this whole thing down and weld up all the holes that I need to, but I just wanted to get a good kind of before and after shot of this. So that's what I'm going to do. So the spoiler is all mounted up here now. Fits really good. You can see how much tighter it is now than it was before. On the ends, they kind of taper out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to fill a couple little spots, but overall not too bad. Got all the old nasty paint off of that spoiler. The deck lid's done pretty much. I mean, outside of a few little filler things to do, but it's perfect. So then probably what I'm going to do here with the light, the back light, is I will drill a hole through the deck lid for the wiring, and then I'll just find a light that will fit there. Shouldn't be too difficult. Here we go. Ready for primer.